welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 10th of May. Hope everyone had a great Mother's Day yesterday and hope you have an even better upcoming week. Now, let's look at what is buzzing today. Going into market buzz under universe, we'll be selecting commodities, and the commodities that we'll be talking about today will be crude oil. We can see for the past 24 hours, there has been 510 publications towards it. And now let's look at what's the sentiment analysis. In sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive towards it. The subjectivity is 37%, which means people are rational towards it. Now, let's look at a trend analysis. In trend analysis, the professional at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 10.69%. Going into the chart, we can see this is a daily chart, and they're saying in short term, there are further upside. Looking at the chart, we can see that the current price is above the 50 days and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. We can see there's a resistant trend line here, which the price have tested a few times and then did not break it. And now they're thinking 60-50 is a pivot point that it will break. If it breaks through, they'll continue going up. Now let's look at the comment section. In comment section, they're saying the RSI is bullish and calls for further events. Below is a series of supports and resistance level, and also the last price of when this article is published. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to follow and like our social media. And also one more thing, don't forget to go on our website to check the tools and the information that we provide for you. Hope you have a good trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.